Our customer base is comprised really of a few different types of customers. We have volunteers, we have advocates, we have people that donate. It was really important to actually get that one view of all our constituents rather than it being in different databases. My name is Branko Ceran and I'm the Chief Information Officer of Cancer Council New South Wales. We had more than 30 different databases that we wanted to consolidate. So it was really quite challenging to kind of say, okay, well, we have John Smith in one database and John Smith in a different one. So it was really important for us to have one view of John Smith, and only when we had that view could we actually improve our customer experience. BizData came to us with a solution that would not only consolidate the databases into one, but also came with a pragmatic approach into how we would go about getting there. So the governance and the processes, and really working with us to make it all happen. The Marketing OneView solution involved a Power BI dashboard, and it showed us how we could better segment our customer base. It could identify campaigns locally, regionally, and the ROI on that, and it really allowed us to really have a self-service capability. The biggest difference BizData have made is allowing us to very easily segment our data and then act on that data very quickly. The Marketing OneView solution was very easy to implement. With most data migrations it's quite challenging, but with BizData we focused on what our needs were, and the product actually was very easy to configure and set up and get it up running very quickly. BizData's work has really affected us in a positive way. It's really put the power back in the hands of the staff and enabled them to really act on that data rather than going back to an IT or digital department. We're very happy with the results. It's really allowed us to understand the customer behaviour and make the best of the opportunities that are available. On a personal note, BizData have made my job and the job of my team a lot easier. It's someone that I can really rely on to get the job done. Highly recommend it.